girl who's mystical. She believes in meditation, Reiki, and she's also done Vipassana. And she's also a follower of Buddhism. She has a golden heart, and no wonder she's been a favorite with the TV viewers for years and has a bag full of awards. And along with her, we have the charismatic, beautiful, full of beans and boundless talent Punjabi Kuri, born in Jalandhar. She started her journey with Punjabi films, and now she's been a heartthrob with millions of TV viewers. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome our beautiful divas tonight, Riddhi Dokra and Surbhi Jyoti. Both my gorgeous beauties. Come. Thank you for adding so much of glamour on the set.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for adding,
having
because
us
you
here,
already
seriously.
here, so there's already glamour in the show.
That's
Thank
true.
you so much, but you both are looking gorgeous. So, you guys have proved it that in the industry, actresses can be very good friends.
That's true.
And that is the reason I really wanted you guys to come together, because you guys have a great bonding.
Yeah.
So tell me how it is. Is it a myth that actresses can't be friends?
Yeah, I think actresses can or cannot be friends as if they are insecure. So it can be as human beings also. If you're
That's true.
You know, if you're an insecure human being, you will not be friends with someone who is as competitive or who's as good as
Yes,
you, no
absolutely.
matter what field it is.
Absolutely. It doesn't matter if you are an actor or if you are not. If you are not insecure, you can be friends with anyone.
Yeah.
Very good. Coming to Rakesh, so how's it going? How's life? How's it been from good friends to marriage? Actually, first co-actors.
Back to good friends.
And back to good friends.
That's how it is. I think after 6 years of your marriage, I think that's what happens. That you get married because okay, we are good friends, and I think I can live my life with you, and then you travel the world, you see everything, see your dreams together, and then you come back to being good friends.
That's amazing, right?
But that has to
You're
happen.
such an inspiration.
Yeah, but I feel that,
Seriously, both of you.
Maybe.
No, that's true,
but I think the base should always be friendship. I completely agree with
Yeah.
you. Coming to you, Surbhi, I believe you have, done Punjabi films for this. So how did TV happen, and do you miss those days? You're from Jalandhar.
Absolutely. Yeah, I am from Jalandhar, but I don't know. I think I don't miss anything. I am so live in your present type of girl. Like, I don't miss my days, because I think I have lived those days. I have lived everything. So now it's time to move on and go with the flow. So I think that works for me, because
But it's a new information for me also. I didn't know you're from Punjabi films. Like,
yeah, I've
you always
done,
wanted to be an actress?
no, absolutely not. I used to do theater in my college days.
Yeah. She's
I have done a lot of theater. So yeah, so Mumbai happened because they saw my picture and they, thought that this girl can come to Mumbai and do something. And good for me that they saw my picture. And
Who saw your picture?
Gul.
Oh wow,
Gul,
she
yeah.
has the eye.
She actually
Yeah.
has the eye, seriously. So she just called me, and my mother said they all are fraud, don't go, because I just cleared my PhD entrance, and they were like, and she was so sure, okay, my daughter, she'll be Dr. Surbhi Jyoti, and don't go anywhere else, your life is sorted.
Anyway, but I believe I just got to know new things about you, that you have, done Reiki, you've done Vipassana, you
Yes.
have been into a lot of spiritual pursuits.
Yes.
So, like, do you think that really has helped you in any way? You're into Buddhism also, right?
Yeah.
I
It
didn't know
has
this
helped
about
me.
you.
Yeah, it has helped me, Babis. It gives you, it gives you a sense of limitless.
Some
than that.
contribution.
Yeah, that's the least.
And
Like,
the only thing I believe in is vibration.
exactly.
I personally, if you ask, I don't believe in like religion or God or anything. The only thing I believe in
You're
vibes.
not spiritual?
I am spiritual.
Okay,
I'm not
she's
religious
spiritual,
actually.
yeah.
I'm not
Not
religious
religious.
at
Okay.
all. Like,
But
I
have
don't
you
have.
also done any courses?
No, but I think I'm so self-convinced
Yeah.
that whoever helps me is my God. Whoever gives me a good advice is my God, Right now, I think we are having satsang. Because satsang is like satya ka saath, and if we are talking good, if we are helping each other, if our thoughts are good, this is satsang.
Good energy, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it's good
nice.
energy
Yeah.
around
Very
us.
intense thoughts. You both love traveling, right?
Yeah.
I've
Oh,
seen a
yes.
lot of pictures.
She travels much more than me.
yeah, मैं इसकी
Because
photos
I
देखती हूँ.
recently have time. So
Yeah.
So if you were given an opportunity to go for a fun drive in a magical car, where would you go? And between the two of you, who would take the wheel most of the time?
Oh, considering, okay, wait, it's a magical ride.
Okay, so
I will
then-
take the wheel.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a magical ride.
Magical
right?
ride, yeah.
Magical ride. I will take the wheel and we'll go to. Okay, since it's a magical ride, we'll go to Venus.
Wow. If you ask me, Vabs, I think I can just, I want to see each and every corner of this earth. I just want to go everywhere. और पता है मुझे ऐसा मन करता है कि मैं कहीं भी जाऊँ मैं उनका लोकल देखूँ, you know, बच्चे कब उठते हैं, कब स्कूल जाते हैं, then mothers क्या cook करती हैं, or when do they go to sleep. I just want to see and observe everything.
Wow, that's interesting. Very interesting answers. So anyway, let's dive into something more personal now.
Okay.
We have this segment which is called the skeleton check. Okay.
Skeleton check.
Yeah.
Very
So-
scary.
Maybe it's only so
Where we look into your cupboard to find something interesting.
Acha.
Okay. So literally, if I open your cupboard, Riddhi, how many saris will I find?
Saris.
Saris or scarves?
Saris and scarves you'll find a lot.
Yes.
I have a lot of saris because my favorite Indian garment is a sari. So
Exactly why my question to you.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I have a lot of saris.
And coming to you, Survi,
Because I have 3.
Yeah, so you
Acha.
should take from me.
you tell me, how does your cupboard look? And how many seconds would it take you to retrieve your favorite dress from the cupboard?
10 seconds.
अरे वाह,
Yeah.
बहुत
Actually
organized
very
है.
quick.
बहुत मतलब
See,
you have to
organized
see
नहीं
my
है, she's like sorted.
Yeah, and organized है this time my cupboard also.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. And now coming to you, Virgos are masters of sarcasm. So you are a Virgo, and so is Rakesh. So how
So
on
is Chandler.
earth? How on earth do you two handle each other's sarcasm?
We just keep cracking sarcastic jokes. No one gets it. That's what happens. So if I'm sarcastic, I have to tell Rak, yeah, I was sarcastic, yaar. And then if he's sarcastic, like, arey, I was cracking a joke, yaar. So yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
great. And with you, Surbi, it is believed that the Punjabi accent and the speech are unique and difficult to change. So how did you play Zoya in Kabul Hai?
My mother is from Rajasthan actually. She is born and brought up in Ajmer.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, where we have that dargah, and most of my mother's friends were Muslims.
Ah.
I think it's a coincidence, but yes, the first language which I was being taught was Hindi because my mother can't read, write, or speak Punjabi.
Oh, how come?
She can because she's born and brought up there, you know.
Acha.
But she can now speak a very fluent, like she has a good accent now, but yeah, she can't read and write. So that's how I learned Hindi and Punjabi both.
And Rids, I heard something naughty that I believe Rakesh and you broke the bed doing an intimate scene in Maryada.
Oh my God, how
Was
do
the
you-
bed too weak or was
they were too
was the
strong.
emotion too strong?
How do you know this?
That's the beauty of showbiz with Babis,
Wow,
right?
she did some homework.
Yeah, man.
Please tell us what happened.
We broke the bed on the first day of shoot.
Doing what?
Wow.
It was a pilot episode shoot that we did for Maryada, and we were they wanted to see our chemistry, so it was a bedroom scene.
And they were like, "Ye dekho chemistry."
No, yeah, I was really like, us time pe I was not so confident, and you know, obviously
Yeah,
there was
chemistry bhi.
yeah.
So, and coming to Surbi, tell me honestly, who has the best sense of humor between Karanveer, Rakesh and Varun?
But I think with Varun, एक तो उसका because you know he's also a Parsi, and I think वो बहुत ही छुपा रुस्तम है. मतलब उसके jokes, you know, they are not very common, or coming it from him, they actually make me laugh because I think because जहाँ पे आप सबसे कम expect करते हो, वहाँ पे you actually laugh. a lot.
Wow, the Parsi blood is talking. My question to you, Riddhi, you got married at a pretty early age. So tell me how important it is for a young woman to get married. Like, do you believe in getting married?
No, getting married at an early age is not important. Getting married is not important according to me. I mean, this is my personal opinion.
But
I
why
really-
such a strong opinion?
Because yeah, marriage is an overhyped institution. I really believe that. You know, you know what happens is with marriage, a lot of people tend to have a lot of hypocritical views and way of living.
Even when they don't want to.
है ना?
actually, yeah.
That's what because इतना pressure आता है ना with marriage that you end up living okay ये तो करना ही है ये तो होता ही है. No, I don't think so. You know, you should live true to who you are. You should live true to the person that you you know originally are. And if marriage does not fit in your scheme of things, then well, Salman Khan. You know, go get married.
That's true.
True.
You know, so I don't think you know it should be a personal choice.
And what about you, like talking about marriage? So tell me, Surbi, if there was one guy you would not refuse if he tells you, will you marry me?
Hugh Jackman.
I knew it.
I knew
was
it.
like, yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
People call me Mrs. Jackman, and how
और क्या
much
चाहिए?
happiness are. No, actually, I don't mind getting married to Thor, Chris Hemsworth.
Oh my god, that's my choice. Sorry. No, I will not let you marry him.
I think I'll get married to every superhero. But no, if you are asking me to choose one, of course that would be Hugh Jackman.
So anyway, I wanted to ask you guys one question, that in case you have a shoot line up next day and you're not feeling well today, then how do you manage to complete the shoot without looking flushed on screen?
यार I तो love shooting.
Yeah, same.
So like looking, if I'm feeling sick, I would want to go on set.
That's true.
You know,
Same
probably pop a medicine that you need to, and rest thermocol.
Yeah, I think it's all here. Like I broke my scar. मेरे सर पे 8 stitches लगे थे when the harness broke. And वो after one day, because of anesthesia,
went back to
I
set.
just I didn't remember anything. After one day, I think the second day I was on shoot because I so wanted to be on shoot.
In a family, the healthcare requirement may vary from one member to another. You may be a healthy guy and you require a healthy diet to maintain yourself. The other member may have a viral disease and you need a physician to attend to her. Your grandmom may be unwell and you need a nurse to attend to her 24/7. Your father is a diabetic and he may require regular blood tests and checkups. And there's a good news, you're about to become a father. Your wife will need to consult a gynecologist. Wow, one family, many requirements. Therefore, you have the Health for You app, your one-stop solution for all your health requirements. Download the app and avail healthcare services and stand the chance to win an autographed mug by your favorite celebrities, Riddhi Dogra and Surbhi Jyoti. So let's get into another round called the confession box.
Okay.
Okay. It's a quick fire open heart surgery confession box. So your first crush.
My first crush, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay. Your first heartbreak.
Yeah, seriously, I don't know.
तू नहीं तोड़े सबके दिल में तुम.
नहीं, but ऐसा भी नहीं है, but हाँ.
She's being modest. वो नहीं
I'm a
बोलेगी,
very
हम बोल देते हैं.
peaceful girl. So
Oh my
no
God.
damage.
Wow, दिल है कि नहीं
Yeah.
तेरा? कोई heartbreak हुआ ही नहीं. Anyway, the one thing that irritates you about Rakesh,
That he is अपनी मर्जी का मालिक.
and who irritates you the most and why?
My parents.
क्या irritate करते शादी के बारे में? क्या?
No, they don't ask me about that. But ऐसे जब वो छोटी-छोटी बातों पे बहस करते हैं, मुझे लगता है you guys should be over this now. It's been like 30 years you guys are married. So, but they are not over it. So I think because you guys have that authority that you can actually irritate me, that's why you do it. But yeah, they only can irritate.
Okay. ठीक है. And the worst party dresser in the entertainment field.
Hey, why are you asking me this? Yeah, please come on. Why would you say that?
चल हॉलीवुड में ही बोल रही.
Kim Kardashian, I think, because
Really?
yeah, I think now since she
She's
knows
too
that.
far. You can say it.
Yeah, it's okay. She won't see.
No, but that's true. You know, now she knows that everyone is gonna watch her, so she just wears anything.
Right answer. Good answer. And one song that brings tears to your eyes.
दो नैना और एक कहानी, थोड़ा सा बादल, थोड़ा सा पानी और एक कहानी.
Wow.
Such an amazing song. Now I know the song. Yes,
Beautiful.
this is beautiful.
And beautifully sung also.
Yes, thank you.
So Rakesh is a great painter. I understand that. So, but has he painted nudes also?
That's a very personal question, but you can actually answer it.
No, he hasn't.
Come on, Kate. Just say yes. Just say yes.
No, that's not really happened. I'll give him this idea.
Oh, you gave him this idea. That's great. And who do you think is the best Indian kisser on screen?
I don't know. I think Indians are better kisser off screen.
Good answer.
I'm loving your
Good
answers. Loving. Well, anyway, so now coming to the time when you all can win the hamper.
Oh,
Okay,
ooh.
so we are going to play a game
Okay.
called Tere Sawal Seedhe Jawab.
Okay.
ठीक है? And whoever gives the right answers this you guys have to compete for.
Come on,
We'll
I'm
get
ready.
the hamper. Riddhi's to like, abhi se joosh aa gaya.
I
I want to win.
So
All right,
better
okay.
give it your best, okay? So who do I start with?
I don't know. You can go with anyone. Your pick.
So when I say the word which starts with B and ends with S, and it's a 5-letter word, it comes in different sizes. And as you grow older, the sizes change.
Boobs. Okay, booties.
Wrong.
What?
Okay, I'll tell you the answer. Do you want to guess? No, it's not your question.
Yeah, I'm. Let me guess my.
But
It should be
hers-
better than my answer, please.
Still, any guesses for Surbhi's question?
I don't know. Braces.
It braces, Riddhi.
I don't
Braces.
know,
Come
man.
on. Come on.
Okay,
BNS.
so the answer is boots.
Oh.
It's just one alphabet idhar ka udhar. I was pretty close.
Yeah,
I was
right.
pretty close.
Yeah.
तो rhyming words है क्या?
8 तो मिलना चाहिए out of 10.
Anyway,
Alright.
so coming to you, your question is: what part of a man's body has no bones but has a lot of veins
I already know the answer.
and is responsible for making love?
Tongue.
Make love with the tongue.
Oh my
What
God.
do you want me to say? I'll say it. Look at both of you laughing.
Yeah, because I don't know the answer, but it's your question. I won't.
I know
But
the
you're
answer.
not getting the game. It's तेरे सवाल सीधा
सीधे-
जवाब.
सीधा जवाब.
सीधा जवाब would be
सीधे
tongue. Yeah,
जवाब.
see? Oh
सीधा
my
जवाब
God.
is tongue.
मेरे तो दिमाग में भी नहीं आया.
Any more guesses?
Doesn't
Okay.
have bones. I mean, since it's seedha jawab, what does not have bones?
Lips. Lips.
Eyes do not have bones.
Lips don't have.
But eyes ke sath, how can someone make love?
Lips के साथ you can actually make love. I think it's lips. You tell me, Vabs, now.
Wow. Tell us.
Okay, if you guys don't have any more guesses, the answer is the heart.
Oh, heart is responsible to make love?
It's the heart.
That's too romantic.
Yeah,
That's actually too romantic.
That's where you love
बहुत ही
from.
practical खेल रहा है.
So far the score is equal.
Wow.
None of us are getting the answer.
Yes.
Okay, coming to you.
Uh-huh.
What is that one thing which is black of everyone? जो सबकी काली होती है, चाहे वो कितना भी गोरा हो या काला हो या ब्राउन हो, चाहे वो मैं हूँ आप हो, आपकी भी काली है, मेरी भी काली है, यूनिवर्सली सबकी काली होती है.
Okay, that's it. Eyelashes.
No.
Of course, this is Vabs. You know, now I'm going with Seedha Jawab. You are saying no now.
But that's not the
But eyelashes
answer.
nahi hote because people who are like you know, like I've seen people with
Yeah.
gold eyelashes.
Yeah, not
foreigners.
necessary. That's not the answer.
No,
but-
no, no. I wait. Just give me another chance. Okay. You know?
You want me to read it again?
No, I've heard enough
Basically,
of kala,
it's
kala,
black.
kala.
Yeah,
I know.
basically, it's universally black.
I know. See, it can't be zuban. You know? हर किसी के गाली नहीं है.
Black tongue.
So, moles. Moles.
that's a good one.
See, of course.
Even
of
if it
course.
was not your answer, that's true. Moles cannot be any other color.
You see,
How
moles
can
are
I help
always
her?
black. See, come on. You have to give me like grace points for this.
I know. actually.
And anything you want to take any guesses, even though it's not your question.
I'm thinking what else? No, but mole can be see brown also.
Yeah, come on, it's black. अब आप जितनी गोरी है उसका भी mole black है. Come on, it has to be moles.
What else? Can
Please,
be
please
black?
tell me what's
Okay,
your
so
answer.
I'm going to give the answer.
Yeah, what is it?
The answer is Pachai. Shadow.
Oh my God!
These
I
are
think
brilliant questions.
Tough one.
seriously, no, these are
Yeah.
brilliant answers, man.
Exactly.
Chai. Oh my God.
Those who have it use their hands. Those who don't use their fingers.
Those who have it use their hands, and those who
Don't use their fingers.
hands and fingers.
Uh,
Hands and fingers. How can there be a difference?
Don't even try it. No, but see.
God, you guys are sick. I wasn't thinking how many things. मैं बेचारी सीधी राह चल रही थी.
Come on.
You changed my course.
तुम लोग को तो सीधे जवाब ही दे रही
हाँ,
तुम लोग
that's
नहीं
what.
दे
See,
रहे हो.
because that's the point.
They don't have. They use their finger.
Toothbrush. Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Cutlery or toothbrush?
See?
Well, the answer is right, but she gave it. And it was Ridhi's question.
Oh my god!
Yay,
What did I
Surabhi.
see?
But
So you take my answer.
sorry to say, you guys have scored equally. None of y'all gave the right answers.
I gave.
You
But
gave for
her
me.
answer.
You
मेरे
and me.
grace points ज़्यादा
You were my
हो.
phone a friend.
Okay, right. So I'll have to change it a bit.
Okay.
I'll have to give the hamper to someone who gave more interesting and fun answers. So I am really sorry
Give it to
because
her.
she gave your answer.
No
but you were
problem.
right. It is brush. Yay! Surabhi, yeah, beauty with brains. So, anyways, let me decide now who gave more interesting answers.
Okay.
So, who gave me more interesting answers? Well, the hamper goes to the beauty with brains, Surabhi Jyoti.
I'll be a good loser and I
Yeah.
will give it to you.
Okay.
Oh.
Here's wishing you a good health and good life.
Wow.
Ridhi, you missed something very nice.
I know.
But we can share it, so okay.
yeah,
we
we
are friends.
share,
And we are
no
neighbors
problem.
as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
how sweet.
इसी बहाने में तेरे घर आ जाऊंगी.
But anyway, it was a tough one. I cannot blame you guys.
It was extremely
because
tough.
it was extremely tough. So anyway, let's come to the deadly finale.
Okay.
Like the-
Deadly finale.
Deadly finale of this amazing chat that we've
Yeah,
had on
yeah.
the couch today. So I just have one small request from you all that take your pick, but you guys need to sing a song, one song of Dhinchak Pooja. Do you know her songs?
Yeah.
Of course, I think
दिलों का
everyone does.
शूटर है मेरा स्कूटर दिलों का शूटर मुझसा ना है कोई क्यूटर दिलों का शूटर
Wow, ये रिद्धि गा रही है.
पर ये तो तू गा रही है, तू उसके स्टाइल में नहीं गा रही है.
मतलब तुम बीट में गा रही हो. You gotta edit everything I say. Please don't.
या
do
वो Dhinchak Pooja की आवाज नहीं थी. तुम
You don't
तुम्हें
sing like
And
her.
beat में भी थी वो.
बट तुम्हें भी गाना चाहिए कुछ.
I know the other song Selfie, but I think it will come on beat. Selfie मैंने ले ली आज.
No, actually, I when you said it, I understood. We have to scream. Selfie मैंने ले ली
आज. Yeah, see? Selfie मैंने ले ली आज. सर पे मेरे रहता ताज. I'm sorry.
She sounds more like Dhinchak Pooja.
See my dedication in everything I do.
Very dedicated, yeah, so creative. This is her voice actually. You were singing in your own voice.
yeah, I was singing in my own voice. I
Oh my
apologize.
God. But anyways, coming to since we're
Kalyug
talking
hai yaar,
about selfie. Oh my God! Since we're talking about selfies, let's talk about our phones. How important is your smartphone in your life?
मेरी लाइफ में नहीं है because as I am careless with everything, so my phone is also a part of that.
Okay, and you?
I'm also not like it's important for work and everything. Obviously, it's important. But you know, like I was saying, I went for Vipassana for 11 days. My phone was off, and I
Yeah.
didn't feel like switching it on. So I wouldn't miss anything. And you know, there are times when I'm shooting and phone kabhi kharab ho jata hai. You don't get time to fix it. I'm so happy my phone is off for 4-5 days. And I'm like, I tell the EP, you have to tell me right now what time you need me tomorrow. I'm not available. I don't give any other number. You have to call me here. Oh my God, I don't know. No stress. So I'm easy without a
You
phone.
really remind me of Rakesh, man. A lot. No wonder you all are married to each other. But anyway, that calls for a centric selfie moment.
Oh,
So
okay.
let's get a selfie.
Okay, let's get a selfie.
Well, there's one more thing that you both have in common. You all are both very fit. So I'd like to ask you, what is your health culture?
Okay, I have to work out. Yeah, I have to do some sort of a physical activity every day for two reasons. A, I have too much energy. So
yeah,
you know,
I can see that.
so something has to take care of that. And second, I love to eat. I live to eat.
Oh, really?
I live to eat. Like, I'm not one of those who will go somewhere and do like मेरा agenda हर जगह का, whether it's a party, whether it's a wedding, whether it's travel, is food.
I'm quite the opposite.
I know.
Yeah.
So what's your health culture?
See, I'm not foodie.
She's naturally, she's blessed. She's blessed.
No, tell me.
No, but seriously, I'm
She's
not
not a foodie
foodie, and most of the choices मेरे लिए वैसे cut हो जाते हैं because I'm a vegetarian.
Punjab the kudi, not a foodie.
And
a vegetarian.
ये कैसे हुआ?
Punjabi-
Please
I-
explain.
No, but see, because my mother is also a vegetarian, so pehle initially it was because of my mother, so now it's out of choice. I don't want to eat animals or birds or anything, so that's my choice.
But how are you so fit?
Because of yoga, and thanks for this yoga mat. So
Great.
given because
So
I
you got the
also
perfect
think
gift.
that I also want to channelize my energy. So I think yoga helps me a lot.
I'm so
Yoga is
glad
amazing.
that you got the perfect gift.
That's true.
And I'm so glad that you both made it here. I really have to thank you guys for gracing Showbiz with Babis.
Thank you.
No, I
Thank
seriously
you,
want
Babs.
to say thanks to you because thanks for having us here. I had such an amazing time.
I had an awesome time. As I said, you all added a lot of energy, a lot of glamour. You all are vivacious, you all are beautiful. And I had a very great time chatting with you all.
It's amazing to chat with each other on camera.
Yes.
We would anyway be doing
Because
this.
we are always partying, so it's
Yeah,
good we
actually.
are chatting.
So this is really a lot of fun, and I had to come. You
of
called me, I had to
course.
come.
And on a parting note, I have something to give you guys.
कुछ तो मिल रहा है मुझे.
I-
मुझे मिल रहा है? Oh.
This is a 1-year organic supply from the Bombay Natural Company.
Oh.
Since you both are anyways very fit also.
Oh, wow.
I hope you like it.
Thank you.
One more thing on this happy note.
Wow.
These
मुझे
are
जाना ही नहीं है यहाँ से. Just keep going with it.
these are Bluetooth speakers from the global advertisers.
Wow.
Wow. See,
Thank
मुझे
you.
तो ये
Hope
चाहिए
you like
था.
it.
Seriously.
So this is like Sone Pe Suhaga. We've come here to have a
Yes.
chat with our friend, and we're going back with so many goodies.
Yes,
So many gifts,
and
yeah.
lots of memories.
That's
going
true.
back with lots of
Absolutely.
moments, lots of memories.
Absolutely.
It's going to stay for life.
Thank you
That's
for
true.
this. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you so much, guys.
much. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. आज मैंने तुझे किस दूंगी.
Yeah.
Bye. Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box8. Order food online.
That I failed in class too. I'm embarrassed to tell this to anybody.
Oh, so cute.
Very cute actually. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना और बेसुरा सनम कि हमें गाना ही नहीं आता हम इसके लिए क्या क्या गाएंगे अब बस
लड़की सुंदर खूबसूरत कॉस्ट्यूम आउटफिट कपड़े डिजाइनर अच्छे नहीं है कुछ फैशन सेंस नहीं है उतार दो कपड़े उतार दो Hi, I'm Anita Hasanandani Reddy.
and I'm Rohit Reddy
Please watch both of us having loads of fun on Showbiz with
Barbies.
Barbies.
only on IndianWikimedia.com.
IndianWikimedia.com.
Showbiz with Barbies.